All right, how to place an order as a preferred customer in Neora. Welcome. I am so glad that you are here. So we're going to go very rapidly and very easy on what you need to do. Okay, so for example, right now, you just received like the web page of a brand partner or perhaps another preferred customer. So you're gonna type down or you're gonna click on the link that someone shared to you, and you need to be sure that it is like their web page. In this case, as an example, we're using is simply real.neora.com, okay, which belongs to our amazing brand partner, Brooke Haynes. So one thing that you need to be very aware of is that the name of the person that is recommending to you the products, it's in here. If it's not, please be sure that you are typing down or they share with you like the proper or their correct web page. That's very important. Otherwise, you're gonna go to a general Neora web page, okay? And what you want is to be part of the brand partner that it is inviting you, that is going to take care of you as a preferred customer, okay? So this is very important. Again, I am very bold. We want to be very bold about this, that you, as soon as you are typing down or clicking on the link that they are sharing with you, that the name of the person that is recommending the products, it is in here. So right now, let's say that Brooke Haynes is recommended the products to you. Perfect. So you can see, okay, this is like the person that recommended the products to me. Now I can continue. So it is super easy. Right now, as you can see right here on the top right, there's like a bag, or call it a card, and it is in 0, okay? So what you're gonna do, we're gonna click in shop. And if you click like in shop, you're gonna be able to see all of Neora products, and you can scroll down if you want. That's awesome. And you're gonna see like all of the amazing products, which I love them all, of course. That's why that's why I am here. We're here. Or you can go like, you know what? Right now, I wanna see like the skincare or weight management or wellness or hair, or what are the hot list, or you know what, I want to see what are the sets. And for this example, I'm going to take one of the sets, okay, with our beautiful amazing product that just launched like this past weeks, and that it is like off the records. And because it is off the records, it's like you need to put this in a smart shop order. Seriously, because it's like out of stock. It is like they are restocking. So please take your time, like plan with this smart shop, so you can always have your Neo filler, okay? So for example, in here, someone is recommending to you this, or so you can read in here more specifics about like the whole set, about the night and the day cream, and about the Neo filler. You can see pictures like, oh my gosh. And again, these pictures are real. This is the Neora style. There is no, and you can see, there is no like editing, not at all. This is real people, and these are results, just as Neora likes to do. And that's why I love them, among other things. So now you're going to scroll down, and now you can say, okay, I'm pretty sure I am super excited to get this set. And please notice that there are 2 options. One with the Smart Shop order monthly delivery, and the other one with the one-time purchase. If you go for the one-time purchase, again, it's perfect. The only thing is that the only difference is that you are not receiving the benefits that the Smart Shop order is given to you. Now, for example, you can get like the Neo Cash or free shipping, So it is pretty attractive because we all want like free stuff and gifts, and Neora is fantastic in that. So, and again, this video is for preferred customers, so you need to check this option, Smart Shop Order, okay? Now, once you are sure that you are in this option, you're going to add it to back. It is processing. And then you can see up right here, like on the right, that the card says 1. Okay. So you can say, you know what? That's all that I want for now. Perfect. So you're ready to go. And then you're going to click on the card and it is processing right now. That's why you are seeing like the page in blank. And remember, you are registering. You are like not only signing up in Neora as a preferred customer, but you are registering as a preferred customer. You as well are going to have at the end a web page. So you can recommend to your friends like these beauties, okay? So this is a window that is going to display. And as you can see, you are qualified for free shipping, which we love. And not only that, but after that, after you're placing your order, you're gonna earn 23.5 in Neora Cash. As you can see, Neora rewards you 10% of your order. So you can use this Neora Cash next month. Okay, so that means if you are paying right now for this set 235, next month, do the math. You're gonna pay less. Okay, now you're saying that, oh my gosh, this is amazing, fantastic news, and there are another suggestions, and we're gonna proceed to the checkout. Now again, and I click on the continue to checkout button. Now, as I was telling you, when you register, you're gonna get as well, and I feel that's fantastic about Neora, because you as a preferred customer are getting like a web page. So you can recommend the products to your friends as a preferred customer. And you, by doing that, and your friends buying using your web page, it's a win-win. It wins for you because you're gonna get like more Neora Cash and everything. So right now you are in the page. As you can see, it's very simple. 2 pages: start and checkout. Now you can go with the option of paying by PayPal. That's okay, or using like the checkout, like the typical way, right? So again, you are registering like in Neora. So you're gonna type down your first name, for example, Patricia Cohen. Okay, I'm gonna go Patricia Cohen, and your email is Patricia Cohen at gmail.com, and then you're gonna confirm your email address, Patricia Cohen. I am making this up. It is just for educational purposes. So gmail.com, your phone number 37. Oh, I'm sorry. I am making this up at all. Educational purposes. So these numbers don't exist. This person, she doesn't exist. 73, just for educational purposes. Okay. So that's the name and the phone number. Now, we highly recommend for you, this is optional, but when you are putting like your birth date, you can get like you're gonna get a free birthday gift. So we highly recommend for you to do so. And then you're gonna continue with your street address. Again, we're making this up, like perhaps 745 Hollow Street, something like that, apartment building, city. We're gonna say that it is in Miami, state, Florida, and then the zip code, I don't know, these are zip codes from Miami, yeah, 33. So you're putting your address, okay? And then you're gonna click continue. And then in here, account details, this is the amazing part. Here's where you're gonna add like the username that you want to share. So for example, you be creative and have fun. For example, the best skin, okay? You can name and as you can see here, Neora is creating again a web page for you. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can see. In here, it says you will send prospects and customers to the bestskin.neora.com. Voila! In 5 minutes, 10 minutes that we're taking the time in here, now you have like your own web page. And I think that's amazing. And then you're going to create a password. For example, like the best skin. Let me show. Or the best skin. Again, we're making this up. And then confirm password. The best skin 01. Okay. It says it's invalid. One uppercase. Okay, we're gonna, the N is gonna be uppercase. 1, 2. The N is gonna be uppercase. So everything is in green. Passports. I want to go traveling. And then you're gonna click continue. Okay, and then it is just checking, okay, this is my address, and it's gonna be your shipping method. Now, something to be very clear about, that of course there's gonna be like taxes and the handling fee. You're not paying anything for shipping as a preferred customer when you're getting a specific amount, which is this case. So, but again, there's taxes and handling fee. Okay, that handling fee is always there, and taxes as well, as you know. So you're going to click continue here, shipping to your address, click continue, and then you're going to go to the payment details. Perhaps you're going to add your credit card, or if you want, you can add like PayPal, okay? And then, as you know, just as you do in other web pages, like e-commerce web pages, when you click PayPal, it's going to take you for you to add like your PayPal information. Or if you're going to add like your credit card, well, you need to select that if it's a Visa, or the name of the card, and the name on the card and your information. Okay, again, this is only educational purposes, so feel or pick the payment that it is more comfortable for you, and it can be PayPal or credit card. If it's credit card, as I told you, you need to fill out all of the information in there, and then once you're done, you're going to click continue. Okay, and as soon as you click continue, then you're going to see that you're going to be able, there's just one more button, and it is place the order. Okay, as simple as that. And once you place the order, you add the information of your payment information, and you agree with all of you're aware of the amounts that you're going to be charged, or that you're going to be they're going to pay. Then you're going to click on pay and place the order. And then I cannot do it right now, but it's going to display like a confirmation page in which says, congratulations, this is your invoice and your order number. And as well, a confirmation of your order is going to go straight to your email. So please check like in your email that confirmation. And if you cannot find it in the inbox, always, as everyone is doing, is please check like the spam. So as simple as that. That is the way to place an order as a preferred customer in Neora. Okay, And one more thing, as you can see right here, like on the top left, you still see the name of the person. Be sure that you can still see the name of the person that invited you or that is recommending to you like the products. That's all that you need to do, okay? And enjoy your products, of course. And seriously, this is like the best decision ever because Neora, they deliver results. The products deliver results. I can see it for my personal experience. If you have more questions or there's something that you want to clarify, please put it in the comments. It is my pleasure, it is my passion to share with you how to do this in Neora, whatever question you have, it is my passion and my pleasure. We can record another video for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that you know that wants to know how to place an order as a preferred customer in Neora. Have the best day ever and ciao for now.